Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are out by the Manley International Airport and we're going to show you the site where the Tinson Aerodrome is going to be located. Now the Tinson Aerodrome is currently located on Marcus Garvey Drive, but it has to move because the port of Kingston is going to be expanded and it's now going to take up the land that the Tinson Aerodrome is on. So they have done studies, and this is where they're going to put the Tinson Aerodrome on the left. There you can see the land has been cleared, and that is where it's going to be. Now this is the entrance to the Manley International Airport. It's actually a very good spot because they'll have access to the runway from over there, and there are a lot of buildings that can be rented for aviation, schools, etc. on that side. So this is actually a very good spot. Alright, so we're going to go through an article that gives more information on the Tinson Aerodrome moving to the Manley International Airport. And you can actually see some planes, some small planes parked over there. That's where they would access or get access to the runway. The future of Tinson Aerodrome, Jamaica's oldest domestic airport located along Marcus Garvey Drive in Kingston, is currently the subject of critical national debate and strategic reassessment. As the government contemplates its relocation to facilitate the expansion of Kingston's shipping and logistics infrastructure, the decision carries profound implications not only for aviation and transport policy but also for economic growth, education, and urban development. Tinson, long considered a vital node in Jamaica's general aviation ecosystem, now sits at a crossroads between preservation and transformation. Tinson has been a functional part of Jamaica's air transport network since the 1940s. Though modest in scale, with a single asphalt runway and no commercial airline service, it serves a crucial role in charter flights, cargo operations, medical evacuations, aviation training, and aircraft maintenance. At its peak in the early 2000s, it handled thousands of passenger movements per year and continues to support over 200 aviation professionals, including pilots, instructors, technicians, and flight school personnel. The government's interest in relocating Tinson is driven primarily by economic and spatial pressure. The aerodrome occupies more than 100 acres of prime industrial real estate near the Kingston Container Terminal, a key transshipment node in the Caribbean. The Port Authority of Jamaica and the Airports Authority of Jamaica have indicated that the land is needed for port expansion, logistics parks, and industrial development. These activities could increase revenue from cargo handling, generate thousands of jobs, and better position Jamaica as a logistics hub between the Americas. Additionally, the Minister of Transport has emphasized that consolidating general aviation and domestic flights at a single location, such as Manley International Airport, could reduce airspace conflicts and maintenance costs. In theory, it would improve coordination, allow for greater security, and support the modernization of Jamaica's aviation infrastructure. Despite the initial announcements in 2023 suggesting relocation to NMIA, this proposal has met strong resistance. In response, the government commissioned a land assessment study via NMIA Spanish consultants, and a report has been submitted for review. Alright guys, that's the end of the update article. So it would actually be, I think it would actually help local aviation in Jamaica. You could get off the plane at let's say you're flying to Jamaica from overseas. You get off the plane at the international airport, Manley International Airport, and then you walk across the road to the Tinson Aerodrome where you can get a domestic flight to other parts of the country. I think that would work well. Guys, let us know what you think about this new location. I think it's an ideal spot. To think nothing was there before, I think it was what? I'm not sure, trees or Nothing was there before, so this could actually work. So guys, let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. Alright guys, have a good day.